Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to fix Ubisoft Connect File Corrupted error. Having trouble with the Ubisoft Connect File Corrupted error? Here's how to fix it quickly. First, run Ubisoft Connect as an administrator. Just right-click the shortcut and select Run as Administrator to ensure full permissions. Next, clear out any corrupted cache files. Close Ubisoft Connect completely using Task Manager, then go to Program Files, then Ubisoft Game Launcher, then Cache, delete the entire cache folder. Step 3. Verify or repair your game files. Open Ubisoft Connect, head to your game library, click the three-dot menu next to the game, choose Verify Files or Repair to re-download any broken data. If the issue persists, try temporarily disabling your antivirus or firewall. They might be plugging key files like ubisoftconnect.exe. Finally, flush your DNS and reset network settings. Open Command Prompt as an admin. Type this, then nudge one sock reset, and restart your PC. With the steps, you should be back in the game in no time. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.